Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to review your Instagram subscriptions. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into your Instagram account and select your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, select the hamburger icon in the top right corner. And you want to go down and select Accounts Center. And then underneath account settings, you want to select MetaPay. And then select where it says subscriptions. Go ahead and select that. And it'll list out any subscriptions, active subscriptions you have on your Instagram account right here. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.